Everybody, what's up? Look at the city. Look at this line. Train station is closed. Look at this shit. I gotta be careful because the cops might rough me up. Look at this shit. This is for the buses to get into the city. Get the helicopter. Where the helicopter? This is a bus to get in the city. I'm going back on the A train. I tell you, boy. Yeah, they got a news out there. Look at the line. The line is like a snake. This is some shit, boy. Let me go over here. I couldn't be a news reporter because I use bad language. Right? Look at this. Look at this. I wonder if anybody bought my book while I'm out here. I didn't actually. Look at him. Look at him. He thought I was trying to sell him my book. Look at him. Asshole. He's shaking his head no. Look. Look at this shit. Look at the buses. The city is locked down. There go Chuck Schumer. Chuck Schumer. It's Chuck Schumer. The city is locked down, boy. Well, the line like it's moving now. But I couldn't believe that guy. He's shaking his head at me. I don't ask him shit. The city is locked down. But I'm gonna go stand on the corner and try to sell my books and see what happens. That's Senator Chuck Schumer. This would be a good time for Barack Obama to come out here and campaign. All right, y'all, I gotta go try to sell some books. Don't beat your children or they'll turn out like me. Peace.